Hey farmers, I'm doing a video on my setup before wheat harvest. There's going to be 3 of these videos, one before wheat harvest, one before corn harvest, and one before sunflower harvest. Each time I'm going to have a different header. Maybe I won't do everything. The vehicles are going to be the same, but you know, I'll see when I get to it. But so here's for getting ready for wheat harvest. So here's my lineup. I got my service truck here. Next to that's the S680 combine. Then we got the grain cart. Then we got the semi. Field cultivator. Run that over, after a spot's done being combined. And then we have the auger and the jump auger. That's just sitting here because winter wheat goes in this bin, spring wheat goes in the elevator, and then corn goes over there in those bins. So I don't need the auger till corn, but I just have it sitting out. And then sunflowers go in these bins. So I only need the auger for corn harvest. So I'm gonna stand back here a little bit. There is the whole lineup. So, yeah, that's the wheat lineup. Alright, see ya.